I'm very honored to be getting this experience. Doing this with Jules and with Hunter is pretty amazing.
One of the things I've always wanted is a traditional Polynesian hand-tap tattoo. So while we're in the islands, Hunter, Jules, and I are getting in on the action. And we're meeting up with a true master, Suluape Pilimo'o, along with his wife and assistant, Panina. And here's the catch. We don't get to choose the design. This is a sacred cultural art. So instead, he needs to get to know us, look inside our spirits, to come up with the most meaningful symbols.
We share a lot of similarities, Hunter and Jules and myself. We really love our family, and we told you about my sister's passing. I really loved her so much, and the last thing I said to my sister, Morgan, I got Jules. I will take care of him like I take care of my kids. He is my son, I've got this. You want to talk about start crying?
Because she's here. We talk about her at the beginning.
So anyhow.
That's a good, she's coming. Magic is on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a tattoo to join 3 persons in Samoa. The first tattoo you receive is the patterns of the family. That's my family band for my wife. I have another family band for my kids and my relative, but that is wife and I.
For me.
We would work with the same patterns for you guys, about family, connection, together. We were talking about magic, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna just tell you something. I've had a lot of tattoos. I've talked to a lot of people about tattoos. I am riveted to the moment right now of everything that you're telling me.
Thank you for that.
After a few days to get the art inspiration all together, it was go time.
Oh, great.
We're gonna work on what we talked about last time, this connection. I tried to do something for you 3, right? But in so many ways, you are so different. Then I find some patterns. Not all of them will be on each of you, but what's gonna be on each of you will be very similar.
Are we gonna get symbols inside of ours?
Yeah, all these symbols are common.
Great.
Awesome.
It's writing your spirit on your body.
And we're off, starting with a pen to draw the family patterns he created for us.
You got mule legs. Look at those things.
I'm gonna have a little tool in my hand, wood, turtle shell, and wild boar tusk. That's what it will go in your skin.
What tattoo shop supply store do you go to get all that set up?
Mother Nature, I do that.
That's crazy. You're first.
Yep.
I thought you were first.
No, he's never had one. And also, I don't want him to watch it happening and then leave.
Yeah, watch us do it and freak out.
Jules, it is so cool. I can't even begin to tell you.
It's really neat.
My first tattoo is a great experience. Just the whole aura and personality of this guy, Mo. Wouldn't have done it with anyone else.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna get real fast.
I sure picked some of the greatest adventures.
And I got the good news and the bad news.
Okay,
Which one would you like to hear first?
the bad news.
It's finished.
What's the good news?
It's finished.
I love this stuff. Oh, jeez. That's amazing.
That's awesome. Look at that thing. Gorgeous. It's gonna be good.
I can't believe how fast you are.
It's finished.
That's awesome. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. The story behind it kind of explains Jules' connection with our family, the trip that we've had, and the things that we do together.
Us 3 are connected now. I have these blocks on the left and right side. Hunter has them just on the right side, and Guy has it on the left side, and it connects us all. I'm gonna have this on my body forever, and it'll always remind me of this trip that we had together.
I'm really happy, and I really appreciate it. Very special, something we'll never forget.
Thank you.
It was awesome.